up, everybody? Hopefully you guys can hear me and see me. Getting ready to go do this bioluminescence tour. It's about 4:50 in the morning. Super early. Everybody's still trying to wake up.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there.
Alright, so we just finished out the bioluminescent swim kayak adventure. Sorry guys, couldn't film it. It was dark. This shit's bumpy. Hopefully you guys can see and hear me, because this shit's loud. But I don't know what the plan is now. I'm going back to the hotel, regroup, probably take a nap. But you know, I'm freaking tired of shit. Anywho, see you in just a bit.
Siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watching by my whole house down.
Back for part 2. Decided to decided to rent a golf cart to get out and explore this island. Man, this should be a pretty good day. And I don't have to drive, so your boy's gonna be knocking them back. Be a good time. Alright, so we're getting it for 24 hours, and for 24 hours it is 2,000 pesos, which is about $100.
Exchange rate, it's only 17.
Alright guys, let's go over this cart that we got. Boom! Check it out. Got the gas, the go, we got the stop, also known as the brake, couple cup holders, and the back seat, which is probably where I'll be. Lucky number 45 is running the show. I just realized what I said. Not that 45. We're gonna get in so much trouble. I know you guys are seeing some of this dope artwork that's around here. Hopefully I can find some time to get back out and film some of it. The beach. So we are at Playa Punta Coco, one of the dope beaches here is the Holbox. Be sure to do what the shirt says. Like, share, and subscribe. Just left our first beach for today. Plenty more to come. Getting ready to go snack some food. Haven't eaten today, especially after that early wake up. Let's go see what we can find. We ended up at Hot Corner Cafe. Getting ready to get some grub. Alright guys, I want to apologize to you. I know I filmed the whole walking up. Hey, this is where we're eating at. Totally forgot to film us eating and what we got to eat. But we did have some drinks, and this is the aftermath. My bad, guys. We had a couple quesadillas, some shrimp, and a couple tacos. Yeah. We were fatty fats, and I was like, all right, let's get in, get this food, get these shots, and kind of drunk. Beach numero dos.
No, it's prohibited.
Yeah, this is that whatchamacallit area.
Protected.
Yeah, this is one of two, because he said the island's protected too. Sorry for the wind, guys, but I wanted to show you this. Walking along the beach, and about 3 football fields out, so it's what, 900 meters? There is a sandbar. See all those guys out there just hanging out. If I didn't have the drone and this camera on me, I would totally swim out there, bring you guys some shots from the bar. And unfortunately, this is a protected area, so I can't throw the drone up here to get some of those cool aerial shots. But enjoy this. Out at the bars. Let's see what we can get into. Boy, I have to get this down. Pedialyte. Body cramping up and dehydrated. Peeing orange. Same color as my shirt. Not a good walk. Hydrate, everybody. Hydrate. Feeling bar 2. Move, my friend. Good old crown to the head. Yep, that's crown. That's crown. These swings have been calling me all day. just, damn it! I'm a little drunk. That's par for the course. I gotta cut all this out because of the music. I gotta keep talking, they keep interrupting it. Hopefully you guys can see me. Your boy's a little intoxicated, so I think this is the perfect spot to end this thing for tonight. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, support the channel, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace. That's me. I wasn't planning on filming me just then. It was an accident. It was one of those like shots from down here where you're not ready.